How to grow TikTok followers insanely fast, instantly, right now, today. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can grow TikTok followers fast and gain instant followers on TikTok. As you can see right there, I just gained all of these followers on a brand new account within a few minutes. So as you can see right there, it says 0, and that's because I just created this account. But as you can see right there, I'm starting to get some followers, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Now, step number 1 is to follow famous people on TikTok. So that could be Charlie. You can then click on all of these suggested accounts. Just make sure that you follow a lot of big accounts on TikTok. So try and follow all the famous people on here. I'm not quite sure who those people are, but just follow a lot of famous accounts. So that could be Charlie. You can follow her sister. Let's see, right there. And you just need to follow all of these people. So start doing that. I'll follow some more people. There we go. Once you've followed some of these people, you can see that I'm already starting to get followers. I'll explain why that happens as well. You want to go to following and you want to start unfollowing them. So you basically want to create a list right here in your following with all of these famous people, and you want to start unfollowing them. Now, once you're done unfollowing them, oops, it's my bad, you want to start following them again. Now, I know that doesn't make sense, but the reason why this works is because there are people that go to these famous people's pages and they start following everyone that's following those famous people. So people go to Charlie's page, they then click on, let's see, followers, and they then start following all of the people showing up in this list. So if you keep following and unfollowing those famous people, you will be at the top and people will start following you. So as you can see right there, I'm going to do this once more, and then I'm going to show you how much followers I actually gained in these 2 minutes of making this video. So people, and I'll start following again. Now you want to follow them for about 15 up to 20 seconds, or I would say 10, yeah, let's say 10 up to 15 seconds, and then start unfollowing and follow them ASAP again, because if you're not following them, this is not going to work. But there we go. I just followed all of those people again, and we'll have to see if I'll gain some new followers. So I don't see anyone following me right away, so I'm going to do it once more. You have to have a bit of luck. Like, you just need to be you need to do this at a good time. So if you want to gain USA followers, you're not going to do this at night, or at midnight. And there we go. So you just saw that I've refreshed my page and there are some new followers coming in. And trust me guys, this isn't fake. If you follow the steps that I just showed you, this will happen to you as well. Be patient, keep doing it, and this will work. Now all I do gotta say though is that if you're trying to build an active audience or actual fan base, then this is not the way to go. You want to create good content, but if you're just looking to gain some followers fast on TikTok, then this is a great method. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if this works for you, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.